Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Michigan State troopers chase shooting suspects in Grand Rapids. Alright, so we got footage right here of officer. You can see that some name, Duck. So obviously we want the police to, apprehend these shooting suspects. Just want to make that clear from the jump here, guys. It's just a high-speed chase, so that's why I'm watching it and I'm reacting to it. Okay, so a car comes flying. What kind of Lincoln is that?
That's a good one. Let him talk, let him talk.
Yeah, that Lincoln is getting off on a good start. And it's got a good gap.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Yo. Are you guys seeing the same thing that I'm seeing right now? This Lincoln is gone. Oh my goodness, look at this. The cop about to hit the other cop. The car going so damn fast. They can't even plan for it. Oh my goodness.
Still southbound on Division. Coming up 236 here. These are about 100 light traffic. Still southbound.
Red light up here.
36 going 100.
Red light up here.
Damn. The camera vibrating quite a bit. I wish we could get a speedometer of how fast this cop is going. I believe at one point he was going 100 miles per hour. And at this point the Lincoln is... I mean, he can maybe still see the tail light. But like, man... I don't think he that close to that Lincoln, man. Did it turn? Oh, wow. It couldn't even turn how that Lincoln just turned, going that fast.
They're still there. Yeah, there. No, we're westbound 44th Street.
He just put the brakes on him like that. That cheap ass Dodge couldn't even brake. Oh my goodness. Does that Lincoln have Brembos?
No, still going.
That cheap ass Dodge couldn't brake and then turn, you know what I mean? Okay, maybe he maxed out from that. I'm just talking but...
They're bailing. Running down the freeway. Got two juveniles. No. Go after them. Running in the Super 8 motel parking lot.
Damn, they making quite the fucking run on feet, no?
Go around. No, yeah, maybe. Yep. Right there. Top of the fence.
Come on, cop. Jump over that fence. Let's get that donut. And we couldn't jump it like that young nigga, that YN. He couldn't jump it like that YN, y'all.
Stop running!
He like, bro, I want my job to be easy.
On your face now! Get on your face now! On your face! Hands behind your back! Both of them!
Wow. In Grand Rapids. Crashed out at the Super 8 motel. Shooting suspects flee the scene in a Lincoln. High-speed pursuit. Kent County Jail. Respective charges.
Yeah, thank you.
2 loaded firearms in the vehicle.
What do you
Listen,
got on you,
guys.
man? Nothing?
Don't try to do any of this at home, please.
Huh? I'm going to. Why are you running?
That Lincoln was fast.
Can't remember exactly what the other guy's wearing.
That Lincoln was fast.
Man, this shit whack, man. I just feel this shit fun, man. I don't understand, it's like probably no fucking good, man. Bitch be calling me tapping that shit, man.
Okay, so they're looking for the second guy. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Guys, you seen MSP? They got these individuals off the street, and yeah, this is what happens if you're like involved in any shooting. They will come get you because this is illegal, and you know, society that, you know, people don't need this in their communities. Anyways, the cops get their donut. You feel me? I'm gonna give them their donut. They did their job. Next time I'm gonna get some bigger donuts for the cops.
Really,
you feel
nigga?
me? But right now we just got the old crusty one like this, like on my desk. But y'all will be chill. Y'all are chill guys, so you can eat a crusty donut. This is JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
Nigga from the suburbs, Highway Street, nigga from the suburbs, still like nigga from the suburbs. Nigga from the suburbs, Highway Street, nigga from the suburbs, still like